So the first initial thoughts I have for curb appeal wasn't too bad. And this little front porch here wasn't the biggest in the world, but you definitely had something to work with. So in my opinion, this plan packs a pretty big punch. So when you first come in the door, it's not the most overwhelming thing, kind of feels a little on the narrow side, but as you get farther in the home, the more it really opens up and it really feels big. This flex room here in the front definitely would be used more for like an office or a trophy room. Really a nice sized pantry in the kitchen. Kind of the flow of everything, it really makes it work. You could definitely see it being friendly for, you know, if you like to host people. And the stairs here, you got a little Harry Potter storage room. Always a nice touch to get as much storage as you can. Room 2 here is definitely for your guests, especially if your parents are in town. They don't have to worry about going up the stairs or anything like that. And they have a full bath to themselves. Now this bath too is going to be the main bath for all your guests. It's the only one downstairs, period. When you come up the stairs, you got the master here, what they like to call bedroom 1. It is massive. I mean, you got all this space here, the walk-in closet, the bath itself. You got a large linen, and you got a door here on the throne room. This is a nice touch when the majority, if not really all the bedrooms that would be occupied on a regular basis are upstairs, is having the laundry upstairs too. So you're not having to lug all that nonsense up and down. Bedroom 5 was one of the larger secondary bedrooms. This loft space has a closet and it felt pretty big, so you know, for the game room or lounge room, definitely not a bad setup. Also too, good lighting. So bedroom 3 and 4 over on this end, about the same size. They got a bath sandwiched in between. So the only thing really about upstairs is that bedroom 2, 3, and 4 share a bath 3 here.